Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you how to connect Webull to TradingView in 2026. So first of all, you just have to come here on tradingview.com. Then you just have to sign up if you haven't already, or if you already have an account, you just have to log in into it. Now, guys, if you are interested in the TradingView Premium, you just have to check out this Black Friday sale in which you are going to get it for 80% off, and you will also get it the 1 month free subscription. So if you are interested in this offer, you can just check out the link in the description. So here on this page, you can either click on the option of products, or you can directly click on the option of the search icon, and you can open any of the cryptocurrencies or forex charts in front of you. Now over here, simply hover over to the bottom left and click on the option of trading panel. Over here, simply just scroll down and now click on the option of see all brokers. Now among these brokers, you just have to look for Webull. As you can see, Webull is available here. Now, if you are facing any kind of difficulty in finding Webull, you can just simply use the search bar here on the top. And when you search for Webull, it is going to show you two options in front of you. You can select Webull or Webull Pay. When you click on the option of Webull, it is going to show you the integration options like for UK, Japan, and for Webull Global. So you can click on any one of these based on your requirements, then click on the option of Connect. Now it is going to redirect you here on this page where you just have to provide your Webull login credentials by providing your phone number and your password, and then simply log in into your account. So this way you will be able to connect your Webull account to TradingView in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel for more TradingView tutorials. Thanks for watching.